Work parade.
Yeah.
We have to straight down to Union Street, but by the end of the day, we don't make it this because somebody coming up to kill we, bro.
Busted have one brother when name Raymond Busted. He go shoot man, give man 5 shot, a man live. A man busted pussy for retaliation. How that happen? Yeah.
Youngin, WatchYahNow, what I want? My viewers, my subs. Welcome back to the channel. Do me a favor, leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Click that bell and turn on all post notifications so that when I drop fresh new content, you will be notified. So people, Jano. As I say, 2024, the month of December is a very bloody month. As you may say, I want to say RIP to the TikToker, Busted. And said speed one say happy birthday. I can't even say it's happy birthday. You see me? As a TikToker was killed 1 day before his birthday. You see me? And it's very sad because the TikToker looked like, he was just about to, take off next level in terms of his career. Even Nicki Minaj, tune in, on the G Live more while and send him gift. You see me I say, which was a good look for Bossy. They get to me I say people. So, it's very sad. First off, I want to say condolence to, his family. You see me I say, close friends. It got already. You see me I say, very, 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 very sad situation. You see me I say, most times I don't do review on videos like these. Get to me I say, but you don't know when the person, have a somewhat of a influence and the story is that much big. I may have the time, me just, highlight it. You get to me and say, yeah man, I want to say again, RIP, very sad, you see me? Yes man. The news are ring on through all the social media. You see me and say, Busted was very popular, for his personality and, the social media platform, especially TikTok. Is what I say. A lot of people know him, a lot of people go on his live. Yeah, man. And sometimes I tune into as well. Is what I say. So, it's alleged that his passing away is because of, his brother. It's a type of thing where them say you can't catch quack, you catch him shot. Yeah. The infamous Blam Dem. Was also from Mobile. I said these type of stuff and once allegedly because, we don't know much about that story there and we're not from that side there. You get to me and say, and I mix up something there. We don't really do that mix up something there. You get to me and say, okay, you don't know content like this is very sensitive because, people are called people name and people have screen record and all these things. So I want to say allegedly. So I'm going to play with Blam Dem officer right now.
Busted have one brother when name Raymond Busted. When you start screen record, me talk. Because this is going to go viral. Busted have one brother when name Raymond Busted. He go shoot man, give man 5 shot, a man live. A man busted pussy for retaliation. How that happen? Yeah. Then start one war mobile. That's why Fred man them run away come foreign. Because the Fred man them have to run away because then start war and then a problem. This a boy with the palm, them showing Raymond Busted. When you go on this spot and you see Raymond Busted. Raymond Busted, who know Raymond Busted? He go shot man because man a link with man. A man live, man get 5 shot and live. A man busted pussy. Me not rejoice over him, but him blood clot, got blood and brother cast in death. He said war half squash them, run the left people and for dead. Big stinking Raymond, they make your best. Well, go and go, I know me if you come for Raymond, nobody come try kill me now. Cause man we a shot him live. And him bust out, to him and did busted face, me sorry for him that. Sorry for busted the fuck you. When you can't kill it, when you kill busted for, tell me now. Me not support on upon that, don't should kill busted. I bet you they go find, all Raymond hard to find. When you should kill busted, I fuck you do. Me not support on upon that. When you should kill busted. Me sorry for you dog. Fred man they a bastard and hide. Fred man they a bastard and hide. Fred man a big waist man. That me I make you know. Fred man they a bastard with Davy. With Davy where he come from Green Pan. So good boy. And then man they want to kill the when you kill the busted for. You should kill the busted. Big book for not joke aside. Fuck you do. You have to kill the busted a waste man. Right now, anybody will kill busted a waste time. But Raymond, I man them will shoot. You should have shoot him and a fuck credo. I man friend them come bust a shot in a bus dead. Yeah man, that happened when I do fuckery. Instead, real man, next time you sit down and think if you go do a next fuckery, meds life first. You will learn now. Real man, you will learn. This is Rayman Bossed. You're not going to send out a message. A Rayman Bossed, go check. When you type in Rayman Bossed, pan it, you get deport from America. Not even America no want the pussy. Said squash him, you go kill, you go shot. Where you shot him, man? Tell me now. You go shot me too? Eh? You go shot me too? You go shot one of my family. You know I go down that road there with my family them. Because right now that road there a joke road.
Room one boss. You hear me? Now she looks. You understand, December 21st, Saturday is my birthday. You understand, I need everybody to turn out on my live, on my birthday job. We could play some games and enjoy ourselves. My side, you don't really look on the hairstyle or say, yo, me look rough. You see, anytime when me look, say people them gift me because they see it, so I don't have nothing. You understand?
Jano, it's serious. No joke no United. See me a laugh. Yes, but my people. That video was one of the last video that, you know what I mean, the TikToker made before he met his demise. You got to me and say people, because as him said before, today would have been birthday, so I'm going to look for the whole celebration, play some much. You see me and say, maybe Nicki Minaj will jump on and send him a few gifts. You see me and say, yeah man, but you know more time you have plan and some man a plan to take you out. You see me and say, I just saw the thing set. You see me and say, Jano, very sad. So watching my people, I play a screen record right now from John Gotti. I'm going to be an artist and close friend of Boss said he was also on the scene and witness the whole scenario and witness the shooter. You know what I mean, walk up on the artist and just start fire be a shot. He himself had to run for his life and still saying he don't know how him get there just by the grace of God make him not get, you know what I mean, calling up to cause he was that close to Boss said. Yes man. So, on the pray.
Worried.
Yeah.
We have to straight down to Union Street, but by the end of the day, we don't make it this because somebody coming up to kill we, bro.
So a man approaching back and front?
I would say side. Because I remember in 10 I say, yo, got the fuck. Oh, no one has somebody. I go say get one shot in a say, you know. First shot.
I saw that.
And this man go down. I be a thing spawning, bro.
So what one person did?
Then it's not from behind. You understand? Yeah.
Yo, got it. The boy dressed up like a police, but they don't have enough face of police. The boy dressed up like a police.
Nothing for dead, bro. You understand? Yeah. I say no, do nothing for dead.
You know, bigger man thing.
Believe it.
You know deserve for dead youth. I was a hot kid. It had just start really pump up the street.
Man, no do nothing.
Brother. You can't know a man where do things for
Bro, I don't know. I don't know.
You can't know. So that's the bigger man thing, brother. I have to carry on busted legacy, brother. But you have to be careful in the streets.
Which street? What street? What street? Clocking. What street?
Anyway.
If I want something be if somebody can go buy for me, I do it out.
Real Lord. I really talk you.
Believe.
Bro.
Me.
Bro. Got enough to do nothing to busted legacy youth. Got a star, you know, brother. Got your name big, you know, that. I just fall back in that place, you know, bro. That's what I say.
Yeah, I know got it.
Yeah, man, got it have your own respect. And got it have your own name. That's what I say.
Got it. Got
I'm
it.
sure I know, bro.
Listen,
listen, man. Just listen. See, earlier, if I come like me say, now you're dead on CPR, are the only real youth could have taken your phone and really do what I do. And me say, family, I bash CPR, like, you see them little thing, bro? You don't really want to go in, go take it up, dog. You see me, I say, God, if nobody come want kill you over no money, and nobody want kill you over boss dead left, and nobody want come kill you over, got it. You know, me and you come from far, and listen me, bro.
Yeah.
Do your thing, brother.
Yeah.
You have a name for yourself, brother. You see boss said phone. If you can't make it reach him mother or father or somebody,
Yeah.
just make it reach him, Gotti. Me know why you have that phone.
I busted house me there.
I mean,
I busted house me there.
Yeah, me look, Gotti. Me know where your busted come from. I are the only fucking friend busted just. But at the same time, I try to show you. You see, if nobody for come pre over nothing, Gotti, give it to them. Just give them, bro.
Give
Never
phones
come
in.
pre over nothing. I want to hurt you over nothing.
Figure out how they can get the life on team.
I am the only man me see busted put in a house. So me know busted respect and love and trust you, dog.
That's
Me
true.
ask that, brother. And the world know that, bro.
When you said don't sleep, he said Gotti can't drive.
Yeah, man.
And he lay down
But
and
at the same
sleep.
time, Gotti, you see them people here, no busted no day can talk to himself. They will see all type of Gotti, you know this. Me have to tell you this, you know this.
Yeah.
A smart youth.
As
As I say, just do it, but with intelligent. Because you're the only smart to do it, but not do it in a fight, not do it in a spine, not do it in nobody carry no feelings for my father.
Yeah.
Steve,
If you go take
Bro.
a post phone and people like your feelings and grieve and this and that,
you
was
come from my phone right now. Me a give granny. I want it. Me,
Got
Gotti.
it.
yeah, man.
Got it.
Me.
Remember, you know, you.
Yeah.
Remember, say you name John Gotti, you know. Remember, say you have Moby Anthem, you know. Remember, say for Fat Star son, you had a dub play for me, you know, Gotti. That over 20 odd years. You understand? For 20 odd years, we had the music, all the business together, brother. So, you know who you is, you know who you are, you know what you're capable of. So, all you have to do is just be strong and do what you have to do. You see me? I stay vigilant, brother. Even in your house, you can't gaze. That me I make you know. I say, not even in your house.
The people them kind of bad mind and them a bad mind, the young youth them.
Yeah, the people them corrupt. Prime Minister, and even bad man, brother, then corrupt.
Yeah, that.
Even you, me see people corrupt against them, brother. Just when you start rise. Yeah, understand?
Remember, you know, the amount of fight
Yeah, bro.
you know about, you know, because see what I
Me up,
mean.
dad.
You see in a life,
Mash me up.
and everybody have a fight, bro.
Bro, mash me up. Me I tell you, bro. Me shocked from last
You
night.
fight if you don't know.
This morning, when me wake
left
up,
them
wake
to
up at 5 o'clock a.m.
God,
Yeah.
And when me wake 5
without a
a.m.
reason, brother.
Me wake up, find myself
fight you. You see, no reason to fight them, but leave them, brother.
For real,
People
yeah.
go always a fight, bro. The more them fight, and the stronger you get.
Yeah.
Bro, a man look for me yesterday and say, Gotti, we go make it, you know. A man saying, go carry me go Dominican Republic with him, you know. A man King Dona, you know. He said, Gotti, me not left you. That he said to me, say, me can't left the next dog. I don't want to call his name. That I dog where we don't drive with him, I say. Me don't want to left the next dog, but Gotti, me can't left you and I want somebody me have to carry. So me say, well, you go carry me and me and you make up and buy the next man ticket. And he laugh. Because I say me no want to left out the next man, or you carry the next man and want to buy me ticket. That was the plan, because we supposed to go to the Dominican Republic the 13th of January. Zin, bro, I you not even know, dog. I you not even know. Right now, I not tell you no lie. I don't know. This come like a dream, or it come like me not even, God know. Bro, I don't know what I'm going to do. I tell you the truth. Because when it come to beer, nobody can say then go see me a beer. Even if you go buy, me no want no money through no Western Union because I don't go collect it. I tell you God the truth. So I'm baby mother them would and send me one money. I don't keep it, bro. Because I don't go collect it. I swear to God if I lie, me I tell me not collecting it because I have to go beer, go turn up in a line and all of them sitting there. Zin, yeah, bro. I'm telling you, man, I don't get no grandkids yet, bro. And I wish to live to see my kids, them got kids where I can lift them up and know say, yo, I'm a grandpitney them and I make kids where make kids. So, bro, me have to, yo, God know you, if me not protect my life, who the fuck go do it, bro?
Got it.
Yeah.
You know that, bro. I mean, can tell you this because remember, I got it. I whole heap I run up and down there, you know. Whole heap I teach you, bring me up and see me before me even have a name, dog. Man, never forget where I'm from, bro.
No, people don't know you as that name. Sorry for calling that name there. If you
Yeah,
know
man. Boss, man.
Just cool, man. Bro,
Boss, man.
remember good. I'm me on the idol, bro. Cause me
No, I ask you, dog. I tell them every day, that, dog. I tell them every day, dog.
Mona start singing out. And tell everybody around him, say, see him. Where you can feel, say, everybody. The man make them know and tell them, say, yo, bro, listen me, man. And you want to say, if you want to do it, man, make me do it now, man.
Yeah, man.
That man told us every day, Tamili will call me. Last time Tamili used to bust it and say, yo, I need you to call and don't let that. But that is that the whole day and look for me. We make me and him go out at Tamili, bro. Believe.
Got right now, more of the fire, bro. More of the fire, got it. More of the fire, bro. I not even feel comfortable where you're there right now, all this fuck you're going dog. I tell you, God living truth, my father. You didn't feel comfortable where you're there. Got him, you know them a pray to you, know, got you know that, you know, because them a pray boss, them after they pray to you, know, bro.
No, boy.
You know, I'm telling you, I'm
not do nobody nothing.
Punish you, you know, dog.
I don't do nobody nothing, me and nobody in no war.
You deserve for
Alright,
dead. No, you not deserve for dead neither, you know, dog.
If me can just go on, me not stay.
Like the
Stay low. What would I say? Not say stay low, but just stay out of people and reach, bro. You understand? Bro, not even somebody couldn't look. God know a dog birthday tomorrow and the dog will go doing TikTok and make some people laugh. Then kill him, bro. See him? So me know, me have to use sleep and mark death because me couldn't get it. Me couldn't get it. Yeah, dog birthday today, bro. One dog, whole and liquor them.
birthday, boss.
We have a
Yo,
night.
got it.
Happy birthday, boss.
You know, say, either between you or Prime Minister, I want to do a tune for you, brother. And a big one.
Happy birthday, boss.
See you.
The whole chat comment, happy birthday,
I
dog.
want to do a tune for you, brother.
Alright, into a legend, dog. That young youth.
Yeah.
Peace, man, you
I want to do a tune, even a collab. I want to do something for the youth, brother. I want to do something different, you see me? Yeah, more every time I go to my vehicle, I tune I tear it. I want to tear up piece of rubber sitting with another. That I want in a real life.
Happy birthday, boss. Big up on your strong youth. Rest in peace. Happy birthday, boss. Buckler, dog. God no, dog. God,
Bro, you ever see a man run and a search if gunshot touch him? Me that. Bro, I run for my life last night. And the reason why I run for my life, bro, 12 couldn't go down so, bro. The 12 couldn't go down so. So if it happen. I tell her. Binds, I see you know. All about said real friend them. God knows. All about said.
Yo, my youth, it funny, yo, my neighbor, yo, I'm Marvin, I know the man that said that. Yeah, that's not the physical, I know the man, brother, I don't know, like, no, you see me, got it. Really good G, really good baby, brother. Grew up. You understand the shit? Yo. JJ. You should have a son sometime, dog. Too much of a little friend, them messages.
Yeah, this a jacket I bust
Yeah.
to show you. Nobody not coming at this room unless boss said, did the snow, me see you. In unless boss said, did it? And me alone can walk through the whole house and come in at my room, bro. Without nobody even question me. What me say? Without nobody say that where you grow, let's go do. Because they know. Bro. Believe no man. Bro, me can't believe dog. Binds.
And I said, your dog, I fuck with them, dog. Oh, God, bad man. Oh, God, got him, man. Got you, oh, God, got him, man. I get to live no life in a dog. Got you. Right now, me a broken every girl me a fucking a dog. God, no, dog. We not get no youth. We not nothing, dog. We just enjoy life. I try to be smart in a life, dog. And nothing, so, bro. Oh, God, bad man. Oh, God, dog. Oh, God, got you, man. Just as you got you, supposed to know, got you. Oh, God, dog. Judge, that boss said me know boss said before everybody when me know up on TikTok, you know. From you got Bumbo class school in a bro, Marvin in a dog. From more than days in a dog. Oh God, man. Man even live no life, bro.
Yo, then take out the money, man.
Big up in a big cloud, man.
Bro, if you don't know Busted, you don't know the Busted don't give a fuck about no Busted just want some pum pum. Busted just want some pussy and some money and Busted good in the youth. Jaja dog. Man, kill him, man.
That's it, brother. That's it, brother. I'm not bother people, man, yo. A man stay far from violence, brother. In a real life, a man stay far from trouble. In a real life.
Bro.
Bro, all
No
if you
problem,
stay
yeah.
far from trouble, dog, is, bro, sometimes something just happen bad, man. You see me? Sometimes something just happen bad.
You don't have to just help me hold it, dog. You don't have to hold me up, dog. Cause right now, my youth, I can't walk up the road as me drop them, zin. I can't turn up too long.
Yo, got it. Members are 2 years ago, you know, brother. 2 years ago, them dash him little never, you know. My little never, Chevy bossed, you know.
Yeah.
Chevy bossed. Them dash him, and them man in trouble, people, and them man that play game, fuck woman. That's it. Just fuck pussy, that's it. And them dash them off, nothing at all.
You know, say, one night they never go over one place, and when he come back, he can't find his slippers, dog take on slippers. Remember, he just right out.
Do off this for me now.
Yeah.
And the dog I say, got it. You know, say some people are going like they want silence me,
Champion catch money, just blow off.
upstairs and one coconut. Chevy David, I'm going to upstairs and coconut.
Yeah, dog.
And I say, Chevy get that shit after me tell Chevy, say, Chevy, go on back America. Nobody make nobody feel like you're deported on you. Go on back. And the man say, got it. And tomorrow I left. And the man then kill him like today.
Yeah.
I gotta come to America so bad.
God know that.
I'm going to call down that, hold on.
Me never feel pain like that in my life. It got it. Me not lie, cause me know the man the trouble people and bother people. The man in the trouble people.
Me,
You
chop.
understand?
The chop inside, bro. Come on, show you something. Apart from everything, remember. But said I'm an idol. I'm a
Everywhere
G.
you go, you see Busted and Gotti everywhere. I even told Gotti the other day, don't ever let him down, please.
Me could never do that.
I know.
Trust me, Justin. Could never.
Every time I see you both.
Bro, if me the round buses, not noticing, say, got it, crush out this for me, and weed. Nobody not trust nobody with no farmer weed. For even crush out to give them. Bro, I'm a dog that, bro. I went bust it.
Love you.
Fuck him at 10 time. It's just some man in play. Whereas when we off camera, play laugh.
All we do is laugh. That's the only person that can diss me all day. Only person that make me laugh. Every day I go live with Buster for hours. For hours. He's my favorite person.
We go try work on this so we can. This guy right now, I'm breaking. Break, I never expect it. You know? And then, at the end of the day, we can't tell ourselves that we're not really in on nothing. When we know we're not in on nothing. Because if somebody come and then see we on the light, then go spear we. If you say, yo, you hear me? That one, the other one, they're not in on nothing, but that one, the other one, they are etc. Then go try to kill everything. Witness everybody. Zane, believe. Bro, I tell her last night, me don't know how me get away, bro. God know I must if you tell the tales. God know me I tell her. And I'm nothing else. Because I'm on the man side to side, so till he say go put your bag in a car. Believe. And to that the close range there, for me get away, God you love me. You really do care.
Got the best believe, brother. I just name for your time at dog in a real life, cause you know your road code. You know your road code. I name for your time, dog.
Yeah, I tell you the way how I feel hurt right
Believe.
now. I don't understand the way how I feel hurt. I feel like
Believe.
I'm shit. Yeah, sure, I don't know what's going on, dog. See all the thing that everybody see. You man, suit. What's that suit? I'm buying for
Now
wear.
they're jumping out the window, dancing, laughing, wearing the pink glasses.
I never feel nothing like this yet. I still don't feel this. You know me feel this. Me feel tear inside, me feel cut up. Me feel everything I say. This encouragement. Quit life. Yo, you don't understand still. You don't understand. You don't understand. God no. I tell you say, the way how you think happen, bro. It shockwave will lick me when this happen. One night time me I run and it feel like I fly because I can't feel my foot. Me have one slippers, you know. Me can't feel my foot on the ground. But me know, like, when me I run, bro, remember, you know. Me not young, you know. Me not no little boy, you know. Zane, so me I run on a gunshot, me I run two side, and licking on one wall, bro. That's why my finger them. Then two finger you can't really move like that and them at me. Cause me licking on one wall, bro. Zane, you touch you not even know that. You know, it's something where make me all I really wonder if I sleep, me I sleep and I dream this. Me I tell you the truth. Yeah, bro. I feel it to my heart, bro. I feel it so till me I tremble. Me nervous. Bro, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't know how I'm going to do this. You understand?
Yeah, I talk to them, and I say, oh, you're bringing New Year, boss said. And I say, yeah, you know, badness, you know, thing go ahead before that. Yo, we have planned for the New Year, dog. New Year we have planned, but we never think about nothing like that, brother. You see me? Because I say, I want to go for the New Year. And we never pre them comments, dog. In a real life, yeah, we should just change the whole.
In a real life, you see, if I were in my time, it wouldn't be yesterday. When it comes to, you can't be overwise, you can't be too smart, you can't be foolish none of the time. Why should a man die before his time?
For real.
Good always die young, man.
I'm not telling you, man. Bro, nothing if it happened to Bussy last night, bro. You hear me tell you? God no. Me not call down nothing for myself, but God no. Might as well have me then deal with something.
You don't ever no say that. No make me cuss. But got it. No do that. No say that, man. Boss said you for there, man. R.I.P. to a real legend. Legend no legend. This way me I say. Boss said die young and boss said them for there. Now you for there too. Them say they could die young. I know that that's true. Oh, what the blood clot them kill the little youth. You're gone too. Boss said you're gone too soon. Ooh. Enough time he had me pain at the rum. Still I wonder when the tears I got done. And the time hear your name tears run. You're gone too. Hey, can you use your too dry? I may not believe them people too lie. Must stick a you a can you. When me really find out say you die. You me inside fuck up. Head overload me I tell you heart broke up. Million rifles salute and bust up. No friend me lose but this I want you fuck up. Because the good die young. I know that that's true. What we gonna tell your son? What the fuck? What made them kill the little youth? You're gone too. What said you're gone too soon? Ooh. Got your head the pain of the rum. And I wonder when the tears are got done. Judge your God. Gone too. Gone too soon. Everybody make sure say, wanna follow the host and follow John Gotti and make sure say, keep supporting the life out of the screen. No care how sad it is, life goes on and it happen to the best of us. That's what me I say. It happen to the best of us. So regardless, we still have to keep the faith and keep strong mind. Over everything else, you see?
How to form your LLC?
But do one, I have to sing a song of it.
Yo, got it, dog. God know you. Just come down, you know, dog. So me I go link him on, you know, dog.
Sad story. Happy birthday to the G, said Speed, R.I.P. is what me I say. It's set away for the TikTok of them right now. You have to be careful. You see me? I say, I say, you know what I mean? Places only there. You see me? Yeah, man. You know, by right, people are going to blame the app, but it's not the app. You see me? And it seems like maybe are things outside the app. You see me? I say, but because him is a TikToker, it just get magnified. You see me? And plus, you know, Naya passed away, you know, 2 weeks ago. So, you know, it does start look that way there still, but you don't know at the end of the day, there's corruption. You see me? I say, and you know that can come from any angle. You see me? I say, sad situation, sad story. Again, RIP to the G. Yes, man. And this will be one of the last video them on the subject here I make for now. You know what I mean? Them type of topics is very depressing. You see me? I say, I go on right now. I'm just dead and state of mind. I can't really meds them type of topic is. When I say people, yes, man. But again, we say condolences to his family. You see me? I say, RIP to the G again. You see me? I say, happy earth strong. You see me? Messed up way for them sending off. You see it? Yeah, man. So people want to comment RIP, boss in the comment section. You see me? I say, and you know the thing already. Wanna like, share, subscribe.
Do the right thing, bro. Let's go and make up a kind them, bro, and do, bro. Can I tell you this bad G? No fun have life to live, brother. When I'm young, I want to have life to live. You see me? Yeah, man, nobody what the fuck, my bro.
I realize I go afraid. I can't nip on my phone. A man can't shot me. I do live. Niggas, me have afraid. After me no iron. Me no walk with bulletproof, you know, daddy. Me never put on a bulletproof vest yet, cause me no police, me no soldier.
Don't joke about it, brother.
Tell me, I tell you. So, me nah go on like say, yo, me a iron. Cause people out the bad man, then we kill them, wicked, then cold. We don't see one example already, so then kill one with it.
Right for him live, brother, I do him thing. Right for him live.
After Shalom, then a real dog get shot. Then a dog come dead. You understand? Who not afraid?
Oh, my afraid, brother. Oh, my afraid.
Not even America not afraid. Not even America, no, one more than say safe.
No, sir. No way.
I said America then shot real dog, a man run program for him and he get gunshot. You understand, bro? No way no safe, but God know, dog.
Snipe that my side, snipe with that, snipe with that.
I want a family, I want fear live, you know? I want a family. And things.
Before Shalom, before Shalom, them trap with the youth of the guy, you remember? The youth will get a degree, man. Yeah, man.
For sure.
Snipe this my side, snipe it. Rough bread.
So, for me tell us, niggas, me never go in a one plane yet, most less we go look how in a plane look. Oh, me could have wanted. Me never go in a one plane yet, me never go in a one hotel, believe me?
Believe you, man.
Of people me tell them something and them feel like say me I tell them lie.
Gotcha.
No cap, bro. Me never yet travel yet, not even if you go a 80. You understand?
You don't go to Panama like them dog, yeah?
Me no go to Panama like them dog there. You understand? Or them push there, or them cat there. You understand me, dog?
25 if I change that way, no, father. Travel we say, you know.
Believe, man, I want to change that, man.
Yeah, man.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing WatchYahNow! The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's WatchYahNow, me, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! WatchYahNow.